What's up, guys? It's been a little bit since I've posted a video. I've had a lot of stuff going on that has been taking up a lot of my time, so that's why I've been MIA. I actually just got back from a trip out west visiting family for my brother's wedding, so huge shout out to John and Cassidy Zullo, the newlyweds. It was great seeing you guys. But now that I'm back, I am quarantining for a couple weeks because of the whole coronavirus, and I've had a lot of time on my hands to get back into the swing of things. And yesterday, I got this package delivered by the fine folks over at TNA Trailgear, and I've been waiting for this for quite some time. I actually worked with them to come up with a concept for a bag that I will show you in a sec. As you guys know, I really dig different types of bags. I actually went through my bag collection and sold a bunch of the ones I wasn't using. But this right here is something that I have not used in the past, so I'm really excited to give you my initial thoughts and then put it through its paces and give it an honest review in the future. So let's get into this. TNA Trailgear, I will link all their contact information down in the description below, their Instagram, their website, all that good stuff. When you're using sharp objects, make sure you be careful because you could cut yourself. Now, when I use a bag, I am typically into messenger bags, but I really like backpacks as well. I've been using this cool bag by Evergoods, but this right here is a hip pack. I actually have never used a hip pack before, and I'm kind of excited. At first feel, it's very robust. It has this material that is very nice feeling, and it seems like it could take a lot of beating and definitely a water resistant. On the inside, oh, cool. Sweet. They also included this awesome TNA Trailgear shirt, established 2019. On the back, where does your trail take you? So that's awesome. Thank you guys so much for that. On the inside, there is a cool little clear medallion. That's awesome. And then on the inside, you have pockets. You have a lanyard with a carabiner for your keys. The inside pocket, I don't know if you guys can see this, it's clear right here, so you can see whatever you're putting on the inside of that. Both sides actually are clear, which is awesome. So if you're going to be putting quick access type stuff like Band-Aids or trail mix or anything like that, you'll be able to see it quick and be able to grab that quick. On the top, there are these two buckles that you deploy to make bigger, and you could put something like a water bottle or even a travel tripod. I'm gonna have to try that out. And then on the front, you have a quick access pocket. There's no pockets or anything on the inside of that, but that's a good place to put your cell phone or anything like that. And then the webbing and the actual belt portion feels super robust, very hardy. I'm gonna see if I can't put this on. Okay, that's awesome. So this is what it's gonna look like. Sorry for my butt, but it sits really good on your lower back. It sits on your hip, and I'm really digging, I don't know if you guys can see this, I'm really digging this clip they have. So it seems super heavy duty. I don't know if you guys can see that. It just clips on, and you pull these to kind of cinch it to your body. And then there's these two elastics that you can pull down so it's not flopping everywhere. But I really dig how this kind of looks. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of how this looks. I am also a big fan of slings, and I feel like, oh yeah, this could be definitely, hold on, my hood. Feels like this could definitely be used as a crossbody sling. Wow, I'm actually really digging this on initial review. Like I said, it's made with awesome materials that seem like it would be water resistant, if not waterproof. I'm gonna have to test that out. I know when they were coming up with the concept for the bag, they did a lot of water testing, but I kind of want to do my own. I might even try to submerge it. I know that it's not made for that, but I mean, why not try it out? But yeah, I don't know what this bag is called. I'm gonna have to check it out if it has an official name, but definitely check these guys out, TNA Trailgear, and I'll do an in-depth review in the future. I'm gonna take it biking, I'm gonna take it hiking, and then we'll go from there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think of the bag in the comment section down below. Definitely subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, check out TNA Trailgear, and I'll talk to you later.